Hello students, welcome to biological class. Okay, we are going to continue chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in plant. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about the topic artificial hybridization. Okay, so artificial hybridization, it is a technique to produce commercially superior varieties. Commercially superior varieties of plant with desirable characters by crossing two different species. Okay, so nowadays you can know that there are different varieties of plants species or crop species are available. All the farmers wanted to more production of crop and good quality of their crop. Okay, so to produce with good quality crops and high yielding crops, we have to hybridize the two different species of the same crop. Okay, to produce two combined desirable character. Okay, so for that producing of commercially superior variety, we needs to do artificial hybridization. Okay, so we needs to hybrid two varieties of plant in a single variety. Okay, by crossing of two different species. Okay, and this technique artificial hybridization having a two steps. Okay, so mainly all of you know most of all the plants having a bisexual flower. Okay, so for that plant having a bisexual flower, the artificial hybridization is done by two steps. Okay, so first step is emasculation. Emasculation. Okay, so what do you mean by emasculation? Okay, so it is a removal of anther. Removal of anther from bisexual flower. From bisexual flower by using of forceps before pollen release. Okay, it is the main point, before pollen release. Okay, if in bisexual plant, if pollen release early, then this pollen can transfer to the stigma of the self flower, so there is no change in a genetic material. If we want to produce a combined plant, then this pollen grain does not transfer to the stigma, so we have to remove this anther from bisexual flower and by the forceps or scissor. Okay, so we have to cut this anther from this flower. Okay, so when and this technique is known as emasculation. Okay, so after cutting of anther, this flower become unisexual female flower, because from that this flower anther is removed, it means the male part is removed, so this flower become unisexual female flower and it is emasculated flower. Okay, so this is the first step to removal of anther from bisexual flower. Okay, it is known as emasculation. Okay, next step is bagging. Okay, the bagging, it means covering, bag. Okay, covering with bag. Okay, so this emasculated flower is covered with butter paper bag. Okay, so it is special type of bag available in market for this artificial hybridization, and mostly it is of butter paper bag. The material of that paper is sticky. Okay, bag of suitable size. Okay, so it is from suitable size with the flower. If flower is small, then the bag is also small. Flower is big, then the bag is big. Okay, so it is of suitable size. Okay, so what is the significance of bagging? Okay, it is done to prevent contamination by unwanted pollen grain. Okay, now what do you mean by unwanted pollen grain? Okay, so for combining of desirable character, we have already selected a male plant from which we needs to transfer pollen grain on this plant. But if this become open, this stigma is become open, then other pollen grain that is released into the air from different plant species. Okay, from different plant, so they can come in contact with stigma. If it is come in contact with stigma, then our desirable characters does not combine. So to prevent the contamination by unwanted pollen grain, we have to do the bagging. Okay, so this emasculated flower is covered with butter paper bag, so other pollen grain cannot enter into this bag. Okay, so after when unwanted pollen grain, okay, so when this stigma attain receptivity, it means this stigma become mature. Okay, at that time this bag is removed and the pollen grain are dusted on the stigma. It means pollen grains are released from the desirable anther of desirable plant that we have selected as a male plant. Okay, so these pollen grain are transferred on the stigma. Okay, and we want this pollen grain. Okay, so it is transferred on the stigma. Okay, and then this flower is again rebagged up to the fruit is developed. Okay, so this flower is again rebagged. Okay, then after fertilization process, you know that the flower is converted, ovary is converted into fruit, and this fruit having a desirable character of our selected two plants. Okay, so you have to remember that in artificial hybridization there are two steps. Emasculation, it means removal of anther from bisexual flower. Why we do this? It is done to prevent self pollination, because we needs to cross pollination. So we remove anther to prevent self pollination. Okay, so what is the significance of emasculation? It is done to prevent self pollination. Okay, and then bagging. The emasculated flower, female flower, is covered with the butter paper bag, and significance of bagging is to prevent contamination by unwanted pollen grain. Okay students, thank you.